Hello all my JavaScript friends, this is the Virtuoid, aka Mike Smith, and this is video number 1 in designing, testing, and creating our standard card class. If you like this video, please click on the like button below. You can also subscribe to our series by clicking on the subscribe button below, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. So let's create our standard card class. Now, our standard card class extends our base card class that we covered in previous videos, and you can see that list here. So you can either go to our YouTube video list to go take a look at it, you go to our GitHub to take a look at it, or you just go ahead and consume it in your project and go straight for it. But we're not going to be adding any properties or anything to the card class to create our standard card class, because within the card class we already created the suit, the ranking, and the value. And so our standard card class basically will use those properties but not really add anything extra to it. And the reason for that is that the whole idea behind the standard card is that we want to be able to take the original card but then limit it to certain values. So what we're really going to be concentrating on here in our standard card class is creating enumerated lists. And we'll be creating specifically 2 enumerated lists. The first enumerated list is going to be our suits, in which we're going to say, hey, these are the 4 suits that you can use when you create a card. You can't use any other type of suit. The second enumerated list is the ranks, and this is going to be, here are all the different ranks that you can create within a standard card class, and anything outside of that will not be allowed to be created. So what you'll end up with is that whenever somebody uses the standard card class, you can sit there and say, okay, I can create a ace of hearts, I can create a 10 of diamonds, or a jack of spades, or a king of what was the last one I left off there? Did it clubs? Yeah, king of clubs. And this standard card class will be able to limit them to create just the values or just the cards that are specific to a standard 52 card deck of cards. So you can't create a knave of clover, for example, because there's no clover class, there's no clover suit, and there's no knave ranking. So you're not going to be able to create that. So what we're really going to be concentrating here on with a standard card class again is just creating the enumerated list and ensuring that our standard card class will be able to handle only those particular rankings and only those particular suits. So in our next couple of videos, we're going to show you first of all how to do, we'll first write the test to be able to create our particular class, and then in the last video we're going to create the class itself, make sure all the tests run. And as always, this repository called FWJS standard-card will be available free of charge to you. It's MIT licensed. You can take it, do with it whatever you wish to do. So are you ready? I'll see you on the next video.